Hi students, good morning. So, principles of subject is principles of management. So today here we are going to discuss about the recruitment and selection. Recruitment and selection, nothing but how to recruit the staff and how to select the staff over here. So first of all, you see the meaning over here, meaning of recruitment. So what is the meaning of recruitment? You see, recruitment is a process of searching for prospective employees and encouraging them to apply for jobs in an organization. When more persons apply for jobs, then there will be a scope for recruiting better persons. The job seekers too, on the other hand, are in search of organizations offering them employment. So recruitment is a linkage activity bringing together those with jobs and those seeking jobs. So here, what is the meaning of recruitment? Nothing but to run the organization. Okay, to run the organization, compulsory and employees are required. So here, for the employees, how they have to select here. If suppose there are more number of peoples are there who are applying for the job, then what they have to do? They have to do a selection process. And from that selection they have to select the best person they have to select. So that is the meaning of recruitment here. Nothing but the persons who are applying the job for in that organizations. So if there are more numbers of persons are applying, then what happens? Automatically they have to do a selection process. From that selection process they have to select the best persons into the organizations over here. Okay, so here what is the nothing? You see here, recruitment is a positive process which encourages people to apply for jobs. It traces to create a pool of candidates out of which management can select more suitable candidates. For this purpose, the organization communicates the vacancies through various sources and tries to attract maximum applicants. So here, organization, what they have to do here, from those persons they have to select the best person, nothing but whom the organization required. Only those persons should be selected that is called as a recruitment over here. So what is the meaning of recruitment? You see, recruitment is a process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for jobs in an organization. According to Pliff, what he is saying, recruitment is a process of searching, nothing but searching a better person in the organization. If suppose in the organization there is a vacancy, so for that vacancy what they have to do? They have to recruit a particular person who is qualified in that field. Only that person should be selected over there. Okay, so next one, recruitment process passes through the following stages. How the recruitment process? First of all, finding the source of manpower. Finding the source of manpower means here actually at which place the person is required. Nothing but which place is vacant over there. Only that place they have to recruit. So you see here, finding out the sources where suitable persons will be available for recruitment. If young engineers are to be recruited, then engineering colleges will be the best source. If suppose they want an engineer in that organization, they have to select an engineering student only. Next, second one, developing techniques to attract people. Developing techniques to attract people means here nothing but Seema. First of all, the company should be in good. The company should have a good goodwill. The company should have a good goodwill over there. Then what happens? Automatically, the candidates or the persons who want to apply the job in that organization, they will show more interest to apply in that organization. So that is the point. Attracting people. How the organization can attract the people? By giving attractive salaries, proper facilities, and everything they have to provide. If organization is providing those all things, then automatically what happens? The persons, they will show interest to apply for a job in that organization. Stimulating more people means Seema here. Nothing but here. The next stage in this process is to stimulate as many candidates as possible and ask them to apply for jobs. In order to increase the selection ratio, there is a need to attract more and more candidates. So here what happens means actual organization should see that more people has to come to that organization. So here if more persons are applying for the job in that organization, from them the better person will be selected over there. In that way the company has to attract the persons over there. Next, factors influencing the requirement. Nothing but what are the factors which are influencing the requirement? Requirement means first one you see size of the organization. It is a small organization, recruitment will be less. Okay, if it is a big company, regularly they will recruit the persons. So as per the size and everything will depends upon the recruitment. Next, employment conditions. So employment conditions means, see, so here what happens means, as per the opportunities only the persons will apply. Once you see the point over here, the employment conditions in a country greatly influence recruitment process. In underdevelopment countries, employment opportunities are limited and there is no depth of prospective candidates. At the same time, suitable candidates may not be available because of lack of educational and technical facilities. In India, the availability of persons is limited. If the supply of persons is more, then selection of large number becomes easy. On the other hand, if employment conditions are easy, then it will difficult to locate the suitable persons. So employment conditions here, see ma, in case of developed countries, as per the technology, as per economical and everything, what happens means regularly they will recruit the person and there won't be having any unemployment. But in case of underdevelopment countries, what happens means the recruitment or also opportunities will also be limited over there. So here, if opportunities are limited, why opportunities are limited over means as per the conditions of the society, as per the conditions of that country and everything. So here what happens means, in our country means the availability of persons is limited. Why the availability of persons is limited means, see, as per their educational or technical fields and everything matters over there. Okay, so here as per the country we will be having a certain employment conditions over there. Okay, next one, salary structure and working conditions. Salary structures and working conditions means nothing but here even the recruitment depends upon the salary structures and working conditions, how the working conditions are there in the organization, how much of salary they are providing. Nothing but the work which we have done, as per that work only they are paying the salaries and not everything. Even what are the facilities over there in the organization, those all are being compared, and then only a particular person can join in that organization. Next, coming to the rate of growth. So rate of growth means, see, the growth rate of an enterprise also influences recruitment process. An expanding concern will require regular employment of new employees. There will also be promotions of existing employees of there to higher jobs, necessitating the filling of those vacancies. So here what happens, you see ma, once here, actually what is the point over here? Rate of growth means, if suppose the organization is expanding, organization day to day it is expanding, so in that case what happens means the employment opportunities will be more in those organizations. So what point here, if organization is expanding, regularly they have to recruit the persons. If regularly they are recruiting the persons means what happens, the persons, they will be getting regular opportunities in that organization. That is a point over there. And the existing employees, I think, but